Alright, so in the previous video we have seen cascading if statements. You can see here we have done a lot of else if. What happens if you guys want to do, say for example, instead of 3 you guys can add, say for example, if I add 3 more here, so else if I add, I have to copy Control C, and if I do Control V, and you guys gonna look here, it's gonna be a big line of else if. You guys have another option to we use switch statements. What is switch statements? The switch statements just like else if. That's how it works. So I'm gonna get rid of this, and I'm gonna put switch statements here. Now if you guys look in here, so if you apply switch statement, our code is gonna be more organized and it's gonna be more manageable. Say for example, now if I remove this and if I put switch statements, you guys use if and else, where you guys know say if and else if, and the last one's gonna be if. You guys can use this in situations, say for example, you guys think that you only use a few, for example you guys are up to say 3, but if it has say for example more than 3, if you have a statement, then you guys gonna go on switch. For example, you guys can go n number of statements with the switch. It's just like electricity switch. So if you guys want to put an adapter somewhere, you guys can connect a lot of switch to just one single switch. So that's the idea of switch. So with the switch, you guys can put a switch here and here. So you guys need to put your expression here, and underneath of the switch, you guys then start your coding with this is the body of the switch, and here you guys need to put all in body. Say for example, we can do case by case. Say we do case 1 for example, and we can put our statement here. So statements here, and then we can put a break. Once you guys can put a break, you guys can say now that's a body, and that's a body. So after this, you guys can put exactly case 2, then case 3, all the way to the n number of cases. So n number of cases, for example, and then finally you guys need to put a default instead of case. This case, you guys can put a default. So with your default, you guys gonna terminate your thing, just like if and else. We have used say for example else at the end. So after this else if, we have used else here. I put a if, so you can put a else here. You guys can put a default. Just put your after default, put a statement and break, and that's it. Your and finally you guys need to put a break here, and your loop is finished. Your switch statements here ends here with this the final break. So for example, we're going to take a number. We're going to ask a number from the user. If user can provide a number, for example, so we're going to put a console dot write line. We're going to ask the user, for example, what we're going to ask a user, write from 1 to 7 for weekdays, for example. We just making a new app, our program, and we are asking the user to look for the event for that day. What happens in that day? Say if we start from Sunday, which is going to be the first day, we can go all the way to Saturday, which is going to be the next day. So how we going to do that? We're going to put a variable, and we name it week, and here we put a console dot read line. Console, we're gonna put a read line. Then once that one's done, then we're gonna put an int dot, and that's our good old friend try parse. That's we already gone through this. So we put a week, for example, that's our variable, and then we put out int number, out int. You can put, last time we put a result, you can put a number of say you can put a day here, int say day, number day, whatever you guys gonna put it here. All right, so now here you guys need to put a switch. So we put a switch, and here inside the switch you guys open your body. This is called body, and here inside here you guys gonna put say day, this guy here, because we're gonna ask user the number of day, whatever the number, if whatever the user wishes to put the number. So here we put a case 1. You can start from case 1 or say case 0, it's up to you. Console.writeLine here, case 1 is gonna be, say for example, Sunday. Sunday is amazing day, is amazing day. So here you guys need to put your break, and here the C# helps us. So this is a very easy program. You guys can keep on going. You guys can put a case 2, then you guys can put a case 3, 4, 5, all the way to whatever cases you guys want. Say for example, now if we copy this one, because we are a bit lazy, we can put a case 2 here now. So the case 2, and if we start from Sunday, then we put a Monday. Monday is say first work day, and then that's our gonna be our break, and then you guys can put your case 3. So here we can put a case 3, and here case 3 is gonna be say Monday, it's gonna be Tuesday. Tuesday is say good work day, for example, good work say day. I mean, similarly we can go up to say case 3 and 4. So we had a case 1, we had a case 2, say here we had a case 3, and now we're gonna go on 4, and say Tuesday, now we're gonna go on Wednesday. So is amazing day, you can leave it amazing day as event. So now we have reached 4. We can go on the 5th one here, 5, and then Wednesday we're gonna put Thursday. Thursday is say excellent day. All right, so now gonna come Friday, which is gonna be fun for almost every culture in the world. Friday is happy day, for example, because almost every culture in the world they celebrate Friday. Even if it's Western world or going to be Asia Pacific, whatever, everyone loves Friday, because the next day is going to be Sunday. So day 7 is going to be Saturday. Saturday is relaxing day, for example, is relaxing day or party day. So if you guys observe here, we have put all the day. What happens if the user put say for example number 9? We don't want number 9, for example. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put here some sort of default that we're gonna keep the user say we didn't get what the user mean by saying say number 9, because we don't have a number 9 in our program. So we're gonna put a console dot write line here. I do not understand the day. So here please try from 1 to 7. So we're gonna telling user to try from 1 to 7 back to. So here is gonna put a break. So now our if you look in here, we only have from 1 to 7 for weekdays. We know it's our week starts from say our number 1 is going to be Sunday, then followed by Monday, then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, which is 5, then 6, which is Friday, and then Saturday, which is 7, and then the last one is we have default, and the default says that the system did not understand what the user mean by the number. Say for example, if the user put a number 9, we don't know a number 20. There is no such thing as day 20 in a week, so we only have 7 days. So if you look in here, very easy. The structure of switch is that the body starts, if you look in this line, the body starts here and finishes here. If you are running into problem, it's very easy to debug, because here you guys know, like a daylight here, all the day, all these codes we are dividing into say into blocks. Say for example, into this small manageable block. This is called decomposition in a programming. We are going to divide one big problem into the small manageable chunks of small problems. So if something goes wrong with one small here, we know that it's going to be case number 5 or case number 6 or case number 7. If there is a problem with any of these, you guys know that this is which case is that, because now we have divided our program into many pieces. So now we're gonna save, and we're gonna run our program. Alright, so our program is ready. So here we are we write from 1 to 7 weekdays. Alright, so now for example, if you put a 1, Sunday is amazing day. So how could the system work out by 1? Because this is a case 1. As soon as we put this one, the system has here they output this one. So what happens if you put for example 2? If you put a 2, we're going to see Monday. Monday is the first working day. Now similarly, if you put a 3, we're going to see the Tuesday. So if you put a Tuesday is a good work day. So if you put a, say for example 5, Thursday is an excellent day. Say what happens if you put a 7? So if you put a 7, Saturday is a relaxing day, or you can say party day. So that's number 7, because it accepts only from 1 to 7. What happens if you put a, say for example 9? So we're going to try 9, and 9 is not in our system. I do not understand the day. Please try from 1 to 7, because that's our default. So if the C# here detects a number that is not in our say program, then the C# is gonna output this one, because all of them have say number. So any number here, whatever the user is gonna put from 1 to 7, the C# is gonna check each one. Say you can put a 5, then you're gonna see a Thursday. If it's say 6, then you're gonna see Friday. Then if it's a 7, then you're gonna see Saturday. So that's how the C# parses this switch. So now you guys tell me which one is a lot easier. If else, with if we could do only one condition. If an else 2 condition, if then nested if 3 condition, then else if we can do more than one, but our code is not going to be manageable because too many else if. So with this guy here we have then 7 conditions from 1 to 7 plus this guy here, and our code looks a lot very manageable, very easy. Anyone looks at this code can know what it means and how to debug this code. Programming is all about writing a clean code and writing your best code for your program. So whoever looks inside your code, they can know what these programs are all about. Anything goes wrong with any of these cases, then anyone can fix this code, because this is called clean code. So this is the switch statement in C#. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Cryowood. If you guys have any question or comment, leave in comment box. Otherwise I can't wait to see you guys in the next video, and bye.